Hello and welcome to this video dedicated to IronCAD's 2D drawing. After completing your project and after dropping the update features with a right click, save your scene. Now it's time to create 2D drawing of the project. Understand technical drawing. To create a new drawing, go to the Home tab. Here, two possibilities. The first one allows you to create a drawing from a layout by clicking on New and then Drawing, and you will then have to select the drawing layout in the dialog box that pops up. The second one, by clicking on New Drawing, allows you to create a drawing based on the default drawing template. For the example, I want to select the drawing layout. I click on New and then select Drawing. A window opens and I choose the tab I'm interested in, here ANSI Metric, and go look for the E3 layout. The drawing opens and a window for selecting standard views is displayed. Here you will have to choose which views to place on the drawing. For the example, I select the views from face, bottom, left and HFG. Leave the automatic scale checked and then go with the green button. Move the mouse to position the views, press the up and down arrow to increase or decrease the scale, and then click to validate the placement. Then select the face, bottom and left views. On the left, in the properties, check name and scale. You can also access other properties by right-clicking on the view and selecting properties. Then click on the HFG view. On the top left, in the properties, you can, for example, apply a shaded rendering. Select the top view and check hidden edges in the properties. To add dimensions, click Smart Dimension. You will then be able to select a curve to place a dimension. Smart Dimension also works point to point. To toggle between direct dimension, horizontal or vertical dimension, press the Tab key. Avoid overloading a drawing and prefer adding sheet to drawing to add new views. Go to the Home tab, click on the new sheet, then select the drawing layout here, ANSI Metric A3. Then click on Standard View. On this sheet, I want to detail only the left cabinet. I check the box Select the part assembly to be projected. A window will then open on the left, and I select in the list the cabinet to be displayed, then click on Apply. On the right in the preview is displayed the part assembly selected in the list. Select Face View, then Validate. Position the view, then click to place the view. I now want to create a sectional view of the cabinet. To do so, click on Sectional View, choose the orientation, here Vertical. Place the cup on the cabinet, select the direction and its name and validate. Position the view, then click. Let's go to the Detailed View. To create a view of a detail, for example the cabinet assembly, click Detail View. Select the central point of the detail view, then enlarge the circle of the view. The circle represents the area to be detailed. Click to confirm the view, position the view and click. Then go to the Annotations tab. Here you will find the different elements that can be placed on the drawing. Add essential information to the project with text or annotations with markers. Once finished, save the drawing. Go back to the scene and modify the dimensions of the left cabinet. Go back to the drawing, a window pops up, click OK to update the views. You will notice that the dimensions have changed. The drawing has followed your changes. The drawing is therefore dynamic and yes, it is updated automatically.